Mga hotel and bar din sa kong likod eh. Old school siguro ni no. Taka ra ning storya. Naabot tag Manchester. Nakihits naman ng tatap pag mata na to, naabot tag Manchester. Laroy-laroy na lang ta. Nakakulato ra ta diri guys, Galawgaw. Oo gud plano guys. Asa ta ni padulong. Tutag town siguro no. Town ta. May taon na to sang town. Wala tawag libre nga free ride, may free bus diri.
With everything I've had in mind, and you've got your higher kind tricks in the back. So I just don't move faster, slowly, and the shapes don't move either. Set direction, don't worry, I will say all things that you can.
Go. The streets of Manchester. Ngita tao pagkaunan diri guys. Murag dool na ta sa ilahang town. Sama ni mga drawing diri. Theater nila oh. Muna ilang theater. The Printworks. Na di Hard Rock Cafe. Hard Rock Cafe guys, pero close lang. Close silang Hard Rock Cafe. May nilang nakatuto diri silang Hard Rock Cafe no, pero close lang guys. Sayang, may lang mga menu diri. Football Museum. Manchester Cathedral. So close. Sa akong likod guys, imnanan siguro na no. Takabalo kung ano sa The Sinclair Oyster Bar. Close. Hello. Mga hotel and bar din sa kong likod eh. Old school siguro ni no. Taka ra ning storya. Okay, larga na ta. Sulod ta sila ang food court diri guys. Modo nilang food court. Okay, sakay-sakay ta nilang elevator na taas kayo. Grabot ta. Yan, sakay-sakay ta guys, pababa na ta. Iguro ito ng ihig sa taas. So, subayo na ito ni Ngadalan Street. Uli na rin ta. Yes! Daghan gig tao diri guys, pero buhok kay chongki guys. Galaw-gaw. Pinsa kayo nag-sindi diri. Hello, can you introduce your name, mate?
What's up, man? I am Sean Doyle, reporting back in from Manchester.
See your guitar is Fender.
Yeah, man. Fender's got Stratocaster neck on there with like a semi-sort of dreadnought style body. I think it's a Damasio pickup, the little strip ones sitting in the saddle. So you can plug her into it now, and you got built-in tuner too. Little plug-in.
Can you play a song?
Oh God, I'll give it a go. Never mind the police, 'cause they keep us down from morning retreats.
Come on, police, arrest these Sean and James met in Manchester.
Rock
Thank
and
you
roll.
for the music. See you around, Sean.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Take it easy, man.
Uli tataod-taod. Kaya wa pa tayo tulugikan patag night shift. Mga tao na punto na itong free nga bus. Free nga bus sa itong Mosalbar dari.
I bet